Hello everyone, welcome to epicartdesigns.com. If you're not already, make sure that you are subscribed to our channel so that you can see more content like this. And as always, like this video. As you guys all may know, it is October, so I know it's a lot of promotional flyer requests. So I'm just going to show you how you can create this Halloween promotional flyer for your beauty business. Really, this could be for anything actually. So let's get started. So my canvas size is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Really any size will work, just make sure that it is a even square. As you see, I already applied my background. I did get my background from all photos in Canva. This was the pro version, but you can get like free stock images off there if you're using the free version as well. So I just put that in as my background, and I put a transparent gradient. That's where you see that black kind of fades up. You can just do this by just going to elements and typing in transparent gradient. And there you go, choose your gradient and change the colors. So the font I'm using is called Shaloop. I will put this down on the screen because it's a little bit hard to pronounce. But this is a free font, so free users and pro users can definitely use this. For design inspiration, I usually just go on Pinterest and kind of use like mood boards that they have on there already. Especially for Halloween, it works perfect for that. So go ahead and check that out. And I did realize later on that I switched the N and E in appointments, and I will fix that. So basically what I'm doing here is I'm just getting my text prepped. So I really like to have two different color codes. It just adds really like fun and jazz the design up. So you just use that tip if you feel like your designs is really boring. Try different color code text. I am applying a stroke or outline to this to each text things. I feel like it makes it bolder and it gives it kind of a 3D effect. Something else you can add to your Halloween flyers, maybe smoke. It gives it that fog, spooky, scary effect for Halloween. So go ahead and try that. And if you want your flyer to be more minimalist, try a thinner font. It definitely will achieve that look for you. When designing a flyer, I always think about the basics first and then I just add on. So the basics I go off of is background, then I have my sale or what the flyer is. For example, this one is October appointments. Then I'll have the date, and then at the bottom I'll have the actual sales or the product that is on sale. And then this is a must. It's either a link or basically a description of where they can go to get this sale. I promise you, if you have these basics on there, you can sell templates with these, or it would just be way more effective for you when you post on social media. And don't be discouraged if some ideas that you try doesn't work or you just don't like how it looks. This happens to me all the time, and at the end the finished product or the flyer comes out amazing every time. So the font that I'm using for the dates, which is October 1st through the 31st, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it, but I will write it on the screen. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add my pictures. I'm using these circle frames. You can locate these in elements and just type in circle frame and it will basically show you all the frames they have. You don't gotta use circle, but I just felt like it was the best for this. I'm gonna put an outline around these circle frames by just duplicating the circle frame and making it pink. Also, I was having really bad connection issues, so I kind of skipped out some parts here. Also guys, don't be afraid to add more things to this design. Like I said earlier, smoke will be really good. Spider webs, spiders, ghosts. Actually, you can do a whole lot of things with this. Just explore it and see what you like. Also guys, I will be giving away this flyer, so make sure that you subscribe to our channel, you like this video, and comment below done with the email you like me to send your template to. So now guys, you'll see me lining these circles up just to make sure they're straight. I do like to group them because it's kind of hard to deal with. So I'm getting this grass. I just wanted to do like a creepy grass effect at the bottom, so I'm just gonna make the grass black. And then you'll see me doing another transparent gradient, and I'm going to go ahead and get a smaller one this time and kind of send it to the back. This kind of gives you like a glow, like it gives spooky scary. So you'll see me moving it around and kind of working with it. I wasn't really liking this gradient. It was too straight. I think that was the problem. Yeah, it was too straight, so I just had to switch my gradients and it came out perfect after that. And on here I'm just using dual tone to kind of change the color of that picture there. I'm not quite sure if duotone is for pro or it's for free users can use it as well. I'm not sure, so maybe you could try and see. So now guys, I'm just going ahead and add the sale prices to this. I'm gonna do this little square box trick. You can see I'm just doing half with its filled and half is just outline, and you can mess with the outline settings of the square just by the top and you'll see you can hit that square box there. And once you create it once, you can just really duplicate that from there, and just for the rest of them basically. Now guys, I'm just adding small stuff, maybe some spiders and spider webs. I am gonna add the Instagram bats, and then from there we're done. If you don't want all those things and you just want it plain and very small and minimalist, go ahead and leave it like this. I think it still looks good, but I still wanted to make it kind of more Halloween. And that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed and you learned something. If you want to skip all these steps in this design process, go ahead and enter the giveaway by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and comment below done along with the email you'd like me to send the template to, and I'll send your template. And as always, thanks for watching.